Shubor Nagashlam Jong Unongsan Hima.
Menteri Kesurkar Jela ba Renington lengdo tongkar haka khatsan teri kuno pra arjar arpoi ulap lipat ba ya kawai ke jaka di kali hanong ba Shillong jong ke company Mahindra kabala ai kerteng Atsan Mahindra showroom. Harangkat ke jing sakilang kinong try ke company Mahindra badu try jong kene ke jaka di kali tu menteri ulakap ribbon kum kada ke jing pli ya kene ke jaka di kali kabadan hamaulai mau yong rem kabala tipro kum ka lake view harut ke surok ba Shillong Guwahati nakleng ba tongkar ulapan pau ke jing kemen halor ke jingwan ke ni ka company sa Shillong bat ke jing play ya ke jaka di kali kaba kam he namar kan longro kalat yo kam ya kibreu ha ka than ukermen ba ka Atsan Mahindra showroom hamaulai boyong kanai ke jing sakri ki paj ba ki badon kami ki kali ke ba kam he ki bala penmi da ka company Mahindra bat kan longro ke jing mentoy ha ka liang ka yo kam yo jam.
Yeah, you see, I'm very happy to stand here in front of this showroom, and very happy also to inform that Mahindra showroom in Shillong, Meghalaya has been opened today, the 15th of December 2021. I'm also happy to remind all that in this place, previously there was a Ford showroom, and we are very happy that the Indian company Mahindra has taken over American company Ford, and now the Mahindra company has been opened today here in Shillong in Meghalaya, and this it's really great hope to the people of Meghalaya because we need more service. As you all know that almost each and every house they have got Mahindra car in Meghalaya in Shillong. So the more the service center, the more the sales, the showroom comes, it will give a better service to the people of Meghalaya. That's why I'm very happy. And also I'm happy to remind that previously Ford, because of the limited numbers of cars, so they are able also to engage limited numbers of employees. But now Mahindra, as we all know, it will be doing very good. Therefore, we hope that this company will employ large numbers of employees in this showroom, for which I'm looking forward that this company will employ directly or indirectly not less than 200 people who will have job opportunity here in this showroom. That's why I am very happy and I express my thankfulness to Manishji and his family, his team that has been able to manage to come here and to open this showroom here in Shillong. And I wish them all the best that from today onwards they will start selling cars from this showroom, start providing service to people, to the customers, to Mahindra customer here in Meghalaya. And I wish them also all the best to employ as many people as possible from the local people, from the residents of this village Mauyong Rim, the residents of the entire area of Maulai, and the people of Meghalaya to get job opportunity from this showroom.